Hey guys, so I just received my Treasure album. So this is the first chapter, and I got it from ktown4u. So first I have the poster. I'll open it afterwards because I really want to see my pick. Right here. I placed the order on the 19th of August and today is September 3rd. So it took a while, but it probably was because there was a lot of orders on these albums. So no more seal. Even though you guys probably can't see it, but I have my two seals up there. Okay. So I have these two. No, my seal. So I got these two. I think first edition, like extra card, something like that. And I got Jaehyuk and Jungwon. So cute. I'll show you guys. Actually, I'll open these. Oh no. So Jungwon, and then the two group cards, and then Jaehyuk, and then the two group cards. I do bias Jihoon and Joyoung, and maybe I don't mind if I get Ruto or Junkyo. But honestly, I don't really collect my biases. It'd be nice to have them. We're gonna open the white version first. Okay. Ooh. So this is the CD, I'm guessing. Wait, no? Is it? Yeah, I think that might be the CD in the back. And then, oh my gosh, I already see it. Okay. So I got Jungwon again with pretty much the same photo card, which is pretty cute actually. He is the youngest, and he is literally 5 years younger than me, but so cute. And then the little treasure sticker. And then oh, it's a bookmark. Yeah, I don't know how to show it closer, but like. Yeah. And then this is Mashiho. He's actually really cute. And he's a year younger than me, but he's very cute. A very good singer and dancer. And then this is the scratch card, I think. And then another Mashiho card. And then I got Hyunsuk. That's nice. And then a big Mashiho postcard. So, there's that. Let me just flip through the album real quick before I move on to the next one. Okay, I low-key think Park Jong-woo is my bias wrecker just because of his voice and his personality. Like, oh, there's Ruto. Oh, it comes with this little like bookmark thing. That's very cute. Okay. There's bias. Jihoon. Oh, Yoshi is really cute. He's very good looking too, but his personality is very cute. Junkyo, he's very cute too. Mashiho, Jaehyuk, Asahi. He was actually the one. No, not Yedam. And Yedam was the one who got me into like knowing Treasure, and then Asahi was the one who got me kind of like, oh, what is this group? Here's Yedam. Here's Dobi, Doyoung, Haruto. Here's Jungwon. Oh my gosh, there's a little thing on my hair. I think that shouldn't be there, but I think there might have been a misprint. Because there's a little black dot on Doyoung's face. Oh, this is cute. Oh, he's so cute. Okay. I can see it's blush. Okay, so that's that. Here, this is the black version. Ooh, I actually really like the hologram of this one. It's like a pinkish hologram to blue. Very pretty. Right. Again, I'm going to check for the photo card. Oh, I can see. Okay, so I think this one I might have gotten the Japanese line. So I see Asahi and Yoshi already. Oh, I got Doyoung! Nice! I got Dobi and I got Jaehyuk also? Yep, Jaehyuk. So, oh god, not the other one. And Chongwoo. Oh, this one's more diverse. The other one I just got like 3 Mashiho. Japanese line, visual is incredible. Again, just gonna leave that out there. YG really meant it when he said he wanted a visual group. So Yoshi, Asahi, Jaehyuk, and then Dobi. I'm happy I got a Doyoung card. Yep, and then Chongwoo postcard. And then a scratch card. Okay, again, I'm going to flip through this one real quick as well. I really like any kind of like grungy, dark versions for boy groups, just because I think it's really cute. Not cute, like cool. Yoshi. Aw, Dobi's so cute. Donghwan? Donghwan is actually like very manly looking. Like he actually looks fairly grown compared to like his young. Dobi is so cute, man. Donghwan, Yoshi. Hyunsuk's actually a very, very, very impressive visual also. Wow. Ah, yes. Ah, Mashiho. Yadam, Jaehyuk. Asahi's visual too. Y'all, I just can't. I really like their group. Chungkyo. He looks so different. Ah, there's my man. Jihoon, Ruto, Jungwoo. Ah, Jihoon, you little. Cute. Oh god. Nice. Okay. That's good. I wonder what the scratch card is. Like, am I supposed to scratch it right now, or? Oh yeah, I remember this. Alright, okay. So if I scratch it and it's all 12 are like filled or something, apparently I can get something. Apparently. So we'll see. What do I see? Just I didn't find treasure, but it's okay.